To our channel. I am Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you one of the topic which is basically on the routing protocols. So in this, basically in most of the algorithms or routing protocol, quality of service factors are being considered. But what factors we need to consider so that there will be impact on the routing protocol, so that the output, throughput, PDR, etc. factors should be increased. So what we have implemented in the MATLAB, firstly let's have a look. In this, basically we have generated a dynamic code in which the area, node, packet size can be given differently. Even energy model has been used to perform the analysis over the energy, because in most of the routing protocols it is not considered, so we have done it as a novelty. Along with that, 4 different quality of service factors are being introduced in this, as packet delivery ratio, connection request and many others, which are helping the proposed algorithm to select a route from source to the destination. So let's have a look at how it works. When I'm running this code, it will ask me for the area that you want to enter. For example, I'm entering as 100, and how many nodes you want to be there in the network. So if I'm entering it as 100, so the 100 nodes will be there in the network. How many packets you want to transmit? For example, 2000 packets are being transmitting. So when I press enter, it will calculate the factors and deploy the nodes in the network. You can see the network is being represented with the number, that those are the node number in the network. The dimension of the network are 100 by 100 kilometer square, or whatever the dimension you want to represent in meters, even it can be done. So the source node, for example, I am giving here the 35 number node as a source, and the 27 number node as a destination. So let's have 35 as source, 27 as a destination. When I press enter, it will process the whole code, calculate the result, and will show a route from source to the destination by achieving the PDR and the throughput as shown below. So the PDR that is achieved from this particular route is 89%, right? So PDR is packet delivery ratio. So it can be run for multiple factors. A comparison is being performed with the traditional algorithm to prove that our system is much better with respect to the traditional technique, so that we can represent, sorry, it is giving the legend error because I am using legend in the recent, just wait a minute. See, this is the error because I am using MATLAB 2018. So this was the syntax for the previous MATLAB, so that's why it is giving the error. So let's have a run it again, the comparison. So we have done the comparison for 4 different algorithms. For the power consumption, RRN, WDP is the proposed one. Our technique is giving the better results in terms of the throughput, packet delivery ratio and many other factors that we have used for the quality of service. So this is how we can present our system for the routing protocols with calculating number of factors. We have developed a system with 4 new quality of service factors. Those are affecting the overall performance of the network, so that data can be transmitted from source to the destination with least energy consumption. So this system is basically an add-on to the existing routing protocols. Even more modifications are still possible in this. So for that you can contact us directly on the contact numbers given in the description. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you people like this video. Thank you.